Play Arsenal Adventure Time. Back with another video today where, let's face it, engineering and astronomy is amazing. That's why I have Arsenal Astronomy Time. Yeah. And so that's why I signed up for a Mark Rober course. That's right. I signed up for a Mark Rober monthly course. Well, not really monthly, just 1 month. And you guys can be in it too. If you click the link in the description below, you will go to the Mark Rober course. And hope I will really see you guys. I want to see you there. I want to see you there. And yeah, this is my workbench, as you may see. It's very good, very not that clean though. Yeah, drill. We need a drill, of course. Shop towels, earplugs, and I would like to show you my, not really inventive, but almost, it's just a strap for a leaf blower, a big one, so that means do really fun stuff. Hold it like this, and it's very cool. So yeah, and yeah, so this is great. I know it's been a tough year for everyone because of this whole pandemic. I hate it a lot. But once it's over, we will go big ol' engineering, which will be fun. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.